Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Tuesday, December 30th, 2008. This morning I wanted to go through a package that I discovered yesterday through my RSS reader, RBBlue Magic, which adds a lot of interesting functionality to the browser. Now, one of the cool things about this is that it doesn't come from Syncom. It came from outside people just thinking of a better way to use the browsing tools. So it shows that you can enhance your environment all by yourself. So see what I'm talking about. Let's go to the store browser. I'm going to go to Published Items. Pull that into the view, and we'll start typing RBBlue, and you can see I've got Keycaster loaded so you can see what I'm typing. And we'll just load the latest version from Emiliano Perez. Hit load on that. Now this is going to bring in a whole bunch of prerequisites, and I've set the prereq behavior to bring things in automatically rather than prompting me. But it's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the recording while that happens. Okay, now with that in, let's go ahead and open a new browser and we'll see what it's done for us. So I'm going to bring this into the view. I'm going to make it smaller so it really fits. So let's bring that into the view. Now this is an image that has my blog server loaded, and I did that not because I'm showing off any features of the blog server so much as it allows me to do things that I actually know the code for. So I'll go to Blog Saver and we'll go to this method. Now I've got code highlighting on, so let's go ahead and select this guy here, search in text. Actually, that's an inbound argument. Let's go ahead and select this cache. Now notice what it does. It pops up this. Now I hit the middle mouse button and it offers to browse these various things. Now I want to go to Blog Saver Cache because that's this current class. So I'll hit OK. And it actually opens up a new tab. And these tabs look a little different than the default ones you're used to, and that's because we've loaded some additional code that gives us proportional tabs, and also this interesting X button, which means you can close them here without having to pop up a menu. So I can click right over and see that method. Not that it's terribly exciting, but you can see where I'm going with that. Now let's hold down Control and Alt and select it again. And it gives me slightly different behavior. Here, it's looking for these various methods that reference it. So I'll select this one. And it goes ahead and does it, but it stays in this view. So the Control modified the behavior, and the Alt stayed in this particular view. So if I go back to this over here, let's go ahead and take this here, and let's just hit Alt and select the middle. Then it'll enter an instance variable name. This allows me to rename it. So I could rename the instance variable. And this is kind of one-click refactoring. So let's go ahead and try that. Cat cache name. And you notice that it went ahead and renamed it. And renamed it just in the context of this method. Left all of the methods unchanged, so I didn't change any references. But it changed the actual code all through the system. Now, to see what else you can do with this, there's a long laundry list. And in fact, I'm going to go over here to my dock and bring up the browser here. To see all the things that can do, I would strongly suggest you go to this URL here, which I will put in the notes because it's fairly long, and see this screencast. It's over at screencast.com. And that'll give you a lot more indication of what this package can do than I've given you in this short screencast. Additionally, if you go to the settings, there's a settings page for it. So let's go over here. We'll go to the browser, and you see the Blue Magic page. And it gives you a long laundry list of general options. So I can bring this down here, and you can see all the things that it can do. So you see all the various things that are possible. There are settings to change things. So this is a pretty extensive package, and I'm not going to be able to cover everything it can do in a short screencast. But you should explore it. You should read the comment that is in the package. I went ahead and brought that and pasted it in here. There's extensive documentation just in terms of the comment that goes with it. So you can see the various actions that happen, and I didn't mention this, but it's the middle mouse button that's doing this, not a left behavior. The reason it's called Blue Magic is that historically the middle mouse button is the blue button. So you get this behavior by clicking the middle mouse button rather than left or right. And the reason that's nice is that it's using a mouse button that doesn't get a whole heck of a lot of use anymore in Smalltalk. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.